Hi, welcome to another edition of Matters of Law. Matters of Law, the law reigns supreme. I hope you have enjoyed our previous editions. Today, we are talking about obtaining a building permit. Let's go for a spot of commercial.
This program is brought to you by PEG Enterprise. Call us on 0240 533 097. 0240 533 097 for your delicious pastries, cookies, and drinks. Locate PEG Enterprise near KK House in Ho.
Welcome back. Obtaining a building permit. What you need to know and why you need to obtain a building permit. The country is governed by laws, and it is important for all of us to obtain permits if you want to put up any building, any structure, any factory, or any establishment. Now, the processes to go through is to first of all have your land documents, your deed of conveyance, your lease, and most importantly, have attached to it what people refer to as the site plan or the cadastral plan. You go to the town and country planning unit and you submit your structural plans. That could be the architectural drawings of the building or the structure you want to put up, and the engineering drawings or the mechanical drawings, and everything that is necessary to ensure that your building comes or gets to the top. Now, you need to understand that before you put up the building in any area, that area has to be zoned for the kind of building or structure you want to put up. For example, if you want to put up a residential accommodation, the area you want to put up that structure or the building and the locality has to be a place zoned for putting up residential facilities. In the same way, if you want to put up a factory, that area will have to be zoned as a light industrial area or an industrial area to be able to put up the structure. Even if you want to put up a church, the planning requirements of the area should allow for a church to be put up. So first of all, even before you go to your architect, you need to contact the town and country planning unit of the district or municipality you belong to and find out what is the zone or plan for the area. Now, after you know exactly the plan for the area, then you can contact your architect. Remember, I said architect. Those who have been trained to draw building plans or structure, any kind of structure that you want to put up. Now, with the drawings that you would get, or your architectural plan, and the necessary documentation, you go to the town and country planning division. You will pay an application fee. Remember to take a receipt for the payments that you do. The building inspectors or the people in the town and country planning unit will look at your cadastral plan, then check with the main or bigger plan that they have for the area and find out whether the land that you even want to build on is even within their plan or within their area, and the size you are talking about is the same thing in their size. They may find out whether a road passes in between your land or the road passes around your land, or what's the general nature of zoning or planning for the area. Once they are satisfied that everything is okay, the next thing they'll do is that the officials will accompany you to do a site inspection. The site inspection is to determine whether what they are seeing on paper is actually the case. And they would also look at the kind of land. Is it a waterlogged land? Is it a land that is rocky? The kind of structure you want to put over there. How is the place? Is it still unoccupied land? When they come, they will satisfy themselves that the whole place is vacant and the structure can be put over there. Now, after they are satisfied with that inspection on the ground, the next thing they will require you to do is to submit your building plans. Now, the building plans that you submit must have the full complement of your drawings, be it the mechanical or structural drawings, the electrical drawings, and everything, including any places of convenience and things like that. Now, there are technicalities with what will go in for them to approve or not to approve a particular building plan or a particular structure, be it a factory, a church building, or any other thing. So it is important to get the experts to prepare your documents. Now the town and country planning units have meetings. Sometimes it may be quarterly, sometimes it may be twice every 2 months. So depending on the particular district and the load of work on them, they, together with all the people who belong to that building committee, would sit and decide whether they will grant you the right or the permit to be able to set up the structure. Now, when you are granted the permission to move forward, they will have to issue you a building permit. Now, when they issue you that building permit, that is not the end. When you start the structure, they will have to come and inspect to make sure that they are complying with the structure that you have put up. Once everything is okay, you are good to go. You remember that some structures were lacking or had some defects, and they had to be pulled down or the structures collapsed on people. So before you put up any structure, you make sure you get the right permit and use the right materials, because even with your building permit, if you're not complying with the rules, it can be withdrawn or be revoked. But if you think that the district planning committee or the town and country planning unit is not being fair to you on matters of law, or they are preventing you from putting up your structures and legally everything is right, then you can appeal or you can file for a review of their decision at the courts. Thank you so much for watching this edition. Share this with your friends and share this with others. This has been Matters of Law on extvgh on YouTube and Explore TVGH on Facebook. Catch you another time.
To support this program, contact XTV on 024 606 1095 or 050 836 4159, or send us an email to info@extvgh.com.